What's up everybody? So I just might have some good news for you guys. This is potentially the last time that the V12 is going to be going in and out of the Miata, and next time that we put it in, it's hopefully going to be in there for definite, if everything goes to plan of course. So why don't we get busy with it and let's roll the hyperlapse. Damn, that was a lot more difficult than I expected. So you guys, you can see that I just have these mounts tacked in place. Now before I go ahead and weld this up, I actually still need to do this side's support over here. But before I go ahead and fully weld this up, I want to prep the surface so that we get good, I guess, adhesion with the weld. So I'm going to take these mounts to get sandblasted. I want to sandblast them on the inside so that I can weld them on and then they will be ready for paint. So you guys, I've got those mounts sandblasted, so now they're ready to be welded on. Now before we can do that, I've got to take the steering rack off in order to remove the subframe. So we've got to strip the steering rack and all the rack ends and all those fun things. We're going to take that off, and then we can get ready to take the subframe off. So in order to do this a lot quicker, I've got my strip gun, and we're going to use that to pretty much disassemble everything from here on. Steering rack is loose, everything else is loose, so we pretty much should be good to go to pull the subframe out. Success guys, great success. Got the subframe out, a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Still difficult doing it one man, but yeah, you've seen from the previous videos that it's in quite a rough condition, but that's nothing a little sandblasting or sanding will fix up and get this full thing ready for paint, because I need this thing looking real good. You know, it's so weird looking at this engine bay so empty like this. I mean, we've been putting in so much work, and it actually looks like we've gone backwards now, like we've got even more work to do now. So, but anyways guys, I think we've made great progress overall. Like I said to you guys, we're going to be getting a lot of stuff done very quickly. So that's all for today. We'll see you tomorrow.